If you have an old refrigerator, washing machine, or other bulky appliances taking up space in your home, getting rid of them can be a daunting task. Appliances are heavy, difficult to move, and require proper disposal to ensure environmental safety. Fortunately, Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company makes appliance removal fast, efficient, and hassle-free. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, replacing broken appliances, or simply decluttering, here's why you should trust Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company for all your appliance disposal needs. Why proper appliance removal matters. When it comes to disposing of large appliances, simply leaving them on the curb isn't an option. Appliances contain hazardous materials like refrigerants and electronic components that must be disposed of properly. Incorrect disposal can lead to environmental harm, including pollution and contamination, fines and penalties for improper dumping, inconvenience and safety hazards when handling heavy, outdated appliances. By choosing Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company, you ensure that your old appliances are safely, legally, and responsibly removed. Appliances we remove. No matter the size or type of appliance, Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company handles a variety of removal needs, including refrigerators and freezers, washing machines and dryers, dishwasher, ovens, stoves, and microwave, air conditioners and heaters, water heaters, commercial appliances. If you have an appliance that's broken, outdated, or no longer in use, we take care of the heavy lifting so you don't have to. The hassle-free removal process. At Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company, we prioritize efficiency and customer convenience. Here's what you can expect when you schedule an appliance removal. Step 1. Schedule your pickup. Give us a call or book online to set up an appointment at a time that works for you. We offer same-day and next-day service, ensuring a quick and convenient process. Step 2. Professional assessment and quote. Our team will arrive at your location, assess the appliances, and provide a transparent, upfront quote with no hidden fees. Step 3. Safe and efficient removal. We carefully remove the appliance without causing damage to your home. Our team is trained to handle heavy lifting safely, using proper equipment to prevent injuries and property damage. Step 4. Responsible disposal and recycling. We prioritize eco-friendly disposal methods, ensuring that your appliances are recycled whenever possible to minimize landfill waste. Donated to local charities if they are in working condition. Disposed of according to regulations for hazardous materials like refrigerants. Why choose Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company? There are many reasons why Austin residents choose us for stress-free appliance removal. Fast and reliable service. We offer same-day and scheduled pickups to fit your needs. Affordable pricing. Transparent quotes with no surprise fees. Licensed and insured team. Professional, courteous, and trained staff who handle removals safely. Eco-friendly disposal. committed to responsible recycling and donation efforts. Customer satisfaction guaranteed. We ensure a seamless, hassle-free experience from start to finish. Additional junk removal services. Beyond appliances, Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company offers a range of junk hauling services, including furniture removal, yard waste cleanup, construction debris disposal, electronic waste recycling, full property cleanouts. Whether you need one appliance removed or a whole house cleaned out, we're here to help. Get rid of old appliances today. Don't let outdated appliances take up valuable space in your home. Austin Central P.W. and Junk Removal Company makes it easy to dispose of unwanted items responsibly and efficiently. Call us today to schedule your appliance removal or book an appointment online. Enjoy a clutter-free home with the help of Austin's trusted junk removal experts.